Hi guys, I'm Pietro from tradingkitchen.com. Just a few seconds before watching the video, I just want to make sure you subscribe this channel, not only to keep you updated of all my free video contents, but also to contribute to the sharing of this and the others contents in a totally free way. So please subscribe the channel, drop me a like, but above all, I just want you to use the comment section below to let me know what do you think about this content and what you want to see more. Okay, thank you very much, and now let's go back to the video. Okay guys, so today I will speak about Richard Wyckoff. There is no Holy Grail in trading. Above all, the Wyckoff theory, the Wyckoff method comes very close to it, on my personal opinion. I don't tell you who Richard Wyckoff was. There is enough stuff on the web, so you can take a look. It doesn't get much nominated by the trading gurus out there, maybe just because they are not such a gurus, but anyway, I assure you that your mentor has a mentor who has followed a mentor whose mentor has studied probably this technique in detail. Wyckoff doesn't show us any new patterns, no magic formulas, no new waves, indicators or anything like that. Wyckoff explains clearly why the market makes certain movements and what logics there are in the usual price movement, the logic behind the war between sellers and buyers. Okay, so let's see a practical example that I post on my Telegram channel and on Instagram. We are on IUD CAD. Okay, so let's see which could be the trade. Okay, which could be the operation that most of the trades out there could make. So for example, here we have an impulse to the down. Okay, now we see that price goes up, but on reality we don't know. Okay, so we are here, so we see this movement to the down. Price breaks this channel, so what we wait for the retest, okay, to go down. So let's see what's happened here, the retest. Okay, but price seems goes up. Here we have then structure. Okay, so we can go short here. Okay, but we have stop loss hit. Okay, so what's next? Maybe this could be good as a structure, a supply zone. Maybe this as well. Okay. So yeah, there are all possibilities, to go short. Okay, let's see what happened. As you can see, this structure works just a little bit, but then price broke all this zone. Okay, but maybe here, when price broke this support, this resistance, we look here for a long, so maybe here price does yet to reach this zone. Here it was very close, but didn't hit this this entry. Anyway, as you can see, we hit 3 consecutive stop losses. If we just follow the basic price action rules, obviously. This is an example. It will be too easy, but Richard Wyckoff gave us incredible way to understand all this movement on the price and avoid to enter the market in a wrong way. And here we are, guys. This is only one of many schemes that Wyckoff gave to us. Here we're talking about distribution, okay? And if we see a graph like this, we can understand the logic that is behind all the price movements. And after this explanation, I suppose everything it will be very, very clear to you. Okay, so let's see what Wyckoff told us. First of all, we have first this impulse. Okay, we are in a bullish environment. Okay. This is the first point the first level we have to look for, PSY. What does it mean? It means preliminary supply. Okay, so this is the baseline, this area that will act as a floor of all our distribution. Okay. Second level, second point, BC, buying climax, and this is one of the last high. Okay, this is the price level that the buyers wanted to reach. The first small signal of weakness. Okay, that means AR, automatic reaction. Okay, what does it mean? It means that buyers enter automatically the market. Okay, quite close to our supply zone. Then another impulse, secondary test, ST. As you can see, buyers try to create a new high, but they weren't able to do this. Okay, so this is another sign of weaknesses. Okay, third level, one of the most important, this one, signal of weakness. So as you can see, now price was not able to create a new high and create a lower highs. Okay, and first of all, a lower low, close to the lower low of our supply zone. Okay, of our basement, signal of weakness. Okay, so what's next? Now all of us could think that price finally will go down. Okay, but it will be too easy, obviously. So sellers just want now to take liquidity. Okay, so what do? Probably most of the trades, it will be this one. Okay, the enter of the breakout of the structure, here the TP as stop loss, a few pips above the higher high. Okay, but as you can see, stop loss hit. Okay, this is only just it's a movement of the sellers to have liquidity, okay, to get all the liquidity they need to make this movement, okay, to make this movement in the future, okay, because to make this movement they need liquidity. Okay, so this sign, this level is UT, up trust. Okay, up trust. What does it mean? Is a push up, just to, I repeat, to search for liquidity. They got all the liquidity they need, but maybe it's just enough. This is only one of the scheme of the distribution of Wyckoff distribution. The second one, this point, you don't see this point. Okay, this point means up trust after distribution. It means the push up after a deployment, the really final liquidity taken before the inversion is another manipulation. So we have 1-2 manipulations. Okay, so now price finally get down, okay, make a lower low and then test this area. Okay, so this is a very good confirmation. This is a very good confirmation. Higher high and then lower low. Okay, then make it this test. Okay, this is a last pullback on spring. On this spring. Okay, and then finally begins the confirmation, okay, of a bearish environment. So now we are live. What we expect now? We expect that the price will make this kind of movements. First of all, break after probably a retesting, okay, of the supply zone. That now is probably demand, but anyway, break the zone, okay, and retest it. Okay, LPSY, what does it mean? Last point of supply. So this is the last offer point. Okay, then price will break the structure and retest for the break the ice. This is called BTI, break the ice, the last test before the inversion. Okay, so this is a standard scheme of Wyckoff, but sure that it really works. I really use it most of the times to my trade. Where do I enter the trade? Here, here on the retest. Supply is here, stop loss is a few pips above the uptrust after distribution, and TP here we can set just here. Okay, why 1.314 as risk reward ratio? Just because a very huge movement usually follows this kind of Wyckoff setup. Okay, so I really expect that price will, if test will be confirmed, price will go down. Okay, if you want to be more conservative, you can wait for the price to break, okay, to break the structure and retest here. Okay, so you can move your stop loss a few pips above the test and TP here. This is a more conservative solution, but you have to be sure that you have a profitable risk to reward ratio. The last thing I want to tell you is a vertical partition that Wyckoff gave to us to better understand this kind of structure. So we have 5 phases. The first one, phase A, in which you see a bullish environment getting weaker and weaker. So this is phase A. Sorry, I'm with the mouse, so I'm not so comfortable. The second one, phase B, is this one. You see the first sign of weakness, okay, and lower lows. Phase C, which is the most dangerous one, you see the liquidity catching, okay, by the sellers. So other at least one higher high. Okay, then you have phase D, okay, in which you have to get this point, the string of weakness, the lower low. This is a very good confirmation. After a higher high, you see a lower low and then a retest. Okay, this is a very good confirmation that trend is really changing. Okay, the last phase is phase E, this one. As you probably understand, the phase E is when you clearly seen a bearish environment. So trend is changing. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you understand everything. I hope you like this video, so drop me a like, please. But first of all, I want you to use the comment section below to let me know what you think about it. Okay, see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.